This is Easy Science channel. For more videos, like, share and subscribe. Properties of elements in groups and periods. Fifth one, electronegativity. Sixth one, electropositivity. Seventh one, metallic and non-metallic properties. Electronegativity. Definition of electronegativity. The electronegativity of an element is defined as the relative tendency of its atom to attract electrons towards itself when it is bonded to the atom of another element. We can see the hydrogen atom in the picture and we can see the chlorine atom in the picture. Hydrogen and chlorine atoms give one electron each and forms a pair of electrons. This is called covalent bond. Atoms share covalent bond equally, but chlorine atom attracts covalent bond more than hydrogen atom. So, the covalent bond reaches to the chlorine atom. Then the chlorine atom becomes a partially negatively charged atom. Hence, chlorine gains electronegativity. Millikan proposal. Millikan proposal says that the electronegativity of an element is the average value of its ionization energy and electron affinity. We can see the electronegativity principle in the picture. Linus Pauling. Pauling assigned the electronegativity values for elements on the basis of bond angles. Note 1. He assumed that the electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.20. Pauling calculated the electronegativity values of other elements with respect to hydrogen. Note 2. The element which has highest electronegativity is fluorine 4.0. Note 3. The element which has lowest electronegativity is cesium 0.79. Electronegativity trends in periodic table. Groups. The electronegativity values decreases from top to bottom in a group. Example, 7th A group elements. Halogens. From fluorine to iodine, electronegativity values are decreases. Electronegativity trends in periodic table. Period. The electronegativity values increases from left to right in a period. Example, second period. From lithium to fluorine, electronegativity values are increases. Electropositivity. The tendency of metals to lose electrons is called electropositive character. Example, formation of beryllium chloride. We can see the beryllium atom in the picture and we can see two chlorine atoms in the picture. Beryllium gives 2 electrons to each atom of chlorine. Each chlorine atom gives 1 electron, forming 2 pairs of electrons. Chlorine atom attracts covalent bond more than beryllium atom. So, beryllium is positively charged atom. Hence, beryllium gains electropositivity charge. Electropositivity trends in periodic table. Group. The electropositivity increases from top to bottom in a group. Electropositivity trends in a periodic table. Period. The electropositivity decreases from left to right in a period. 7th one. Metals and non-metals properties. First one, Metals. The elements with 3 or less electrons in the outer shell are considered to be metals. Example, S-block elements. We can see the metals in the picture, that is first and second group elements or S-block elements. We can also see red colored box. Second one, non-metals. The elements with 5 or more electrons in the outer shell are considered to be non-metals. Example, some elements in 5th, 6th, 7th groups. We can see the non-metals in the picture, that is the elements in light pink and yellow colored, and also we can see arrow marks. Third one, metalloids. Metalloids are semi-metals or elements which have properties that are intermediate between the properties of metals and non-metals. Note, they are semiconductors. Example, boron, silicon, arsenic, germanium. We can see the metalloids in the picture, which are dark pink colored with arrow mark. Example, boron, silicon, arsenic, germanium. Metallic properties, trends in periodic table. Groups. Metallic character increases from top to bottom in a group. Example, 4th A group elements: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Carbon, non-metal; silicon and germanium, metalloids; tin and lead, metals. Metallic properties, trends in periodic table. Period. Metallic character decreases from left to right in a period. Example, third period: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Sodium, magnesium, metals; aluminum, silicon, metalloids; phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, non-metals. We can see the picture: sodium, magnesium, metals in red colored square box. We can see the picture: aluminum, silicon, metalloids in blue color square box. We can see the non-metals in the picture, which are circled. Example, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Non-metallic properties, trends in periodic table. Group. Non-metallic character decreases from top to bottom in a group. Non-metallic properties, trends in periodic table. Period. Non-metallic character increases from left to right in a period. This is Easy Science channel. For more videos, like, share and subscribe. If you need any health and educational videos, tell us on comment section.